Value wise, I did not bad. Almost 500. Can't really complain for stuff that like I've said many times in my videos I used to throw in the trash. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this, and I'll definitely keep on scrapping and you know, hoarding all my scrap from all the electronics I take apart and sell. So talk to you guys soon. Hey everyone, so this is my second truckload, I guess, of scrap. Scrap, bring to the scrapyard. Like I've said in previous, give me a second here.
He's spicy and too.
Sorry, I'm a fan of talk radio. I'm like 100 years old. So like I was saying, it's my latest haul of scrap. Most of it is aluminum, and I have some cables, miscellaneous cables, and lots and lots of fans. I have 3 boxes of fans, and boy are they heavy. I had this big box full and wasn't liftable. I separated 3 boxes. So this is my latest haul. Like I said in previous videos, I don't keep steel because I just don't have the space to store enough of it. So I just hoard aluminum, and I get quite a bit of it from the stuff I do for work. So there must be at least let's see, that was at least 9 boxes of about like 18 by 18 filled with aluminum. So I'm really curious to see how much all this is gonna come out to. So once I'm done at the scrapyard, I'll pretty much go through what I got for the cables, the copper bearing motors, and the aluminum. So we'll add this at the end of this video. So keep watching, and you'll see what I made from this haul. Hey everyone, I just finished my scrapping there from all the stuff I had accumulated over about a month or two.